Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to start Spotify group session. So if you want to do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So many people are searching about how they can start Spotify group session. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to search or select any song you want to play in the group session. So let's suppose I want to play this song in my group session. Just tap on it, and once you will tap on it, let's you have to play this song on your Spotify, and here you will see different options. If you are on the premium version, you will get a group session option right here. So right now, as I am not on the premium version of the Spotify, so it's not showing me right here. But if you are using the pay premium version of the Spotify, you can easily find this option right here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.